Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about CFX price prediction. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. Now we're gonna start with the CFX price prediction here. There is trying already break this one, right? Try to go to close the green bar here as I said before. If you want to entry, if there is any position that you want to know, then you can enter on the purple one here, lower band on the 0.1448 US dollar. For the RSI stochastic also is on the neutral position, not overbought, not oversold. For the moving average here, you can enter on the purple one here, 0.2809 US dollar. For the 4-hour chart, basically as I said before, it has to be close the green bar here first and make the other way, so you can enter slightly on the 0.2 or 0.15, right? Next one is for the Bollinger Band here. For the Bollinger Band here, the price range is already really small, between 0.2988 US dollar go to the yellow one, 0.3576 US dollar. So having opportunity, then you can enter CFX on the 0.15 until 0.23, right? And looking on the RSI stochastic in the 4-hour chart, basically is still on the natural position, not overbought, not oversold. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.